I'm Murray Goodman, I'm Head of Product for Cordia, and I'm here to talk about network services into the Microsoft Cloud. Cordia's got a rich heritage. We've been around about 60 years, and our heritage is actually in television and radio broadcast and also safety of life at sea. We have a very diverse business. We offer design, build, operate and maintain services to other network providers here in New Zealand and Australia. And that's all underpinned by our nationwide fibre network, our DWDM network, and the fact that we're pretty unique in having a nationwide digital microwave radio network. Over the last decade, we've been focused on the telecommunications space with managed network services and voice. About 5 years ago, we acquired Aura Information Security. They're a specialist cybersecurity consultancy, and we've grown that into one of the largest cybersecurity businesses in New Zealand, and they offer cybersecurity consultancy into the New Zealand business market and to the New Zealand government. And more recently, we've added ETP, or Emerging Technology Partners, as a specialist cloud migration company into our family, and we're pretty pleased about that acquisition. Kordia is a great partner for Microsoft. We can point to a number of innovations over the years. Back in 2013, we were actually the first telco in New Zealand to be Microsoft certified for Link, so SIP trunking into the Link, precursor to Teams. 2014, we're actually the first Australasian telco to offer ExpressRoute services, and more latterly we've been first to market with our direct routing or SIP for Teams product, and pretty proud to be asked to be a launch partner for the Microsoft Azure peering service. So we've got a pretty rich history with Microsoft, pretty unique considering we're not a reseller. We don't make money from selling Microsoft licenses. We're all about enabling our business customers and our partners to have the best Microsoft experience possible. How we articulate our value proposition for our customers, which resonates pretty well with them, is the fact that all your Microsoft applications are now on Net Cordia. We've already touched on our Microsoft ExpressRoute. We've got an ExpressRoute into Australia and into New Zealand. Our Microsoft Azure peering service is a service where Microsoft agrees to preference the traffic from those connections into and right across the Microsoft Cloud. They offer an SLA, value-added reporting, and guarantee lowest hop or best performing connection into the cloud. And all our services on the internet come with peering into all the three big public cloud providers, which is a great service experience for our customers. We coined the term Best Connected as a way to talk about our approach to connectivity services. We believe that network performance is integral to the performance, end user performance of using the cloud, and that a great user performance takes more than just bandwidth. After all, your applications only perform as well as the network allows, and a connection from Cordia provides the resilience, security that's required in today's environment. Kordia is currently the only provider in New Zealand that can offer public and private connections into all the three public cloud providers. We call that Best Connected, and it really resonates with our customers when we talk about all your Microsoft applications now being on Net Cordia. So some of the service details applicable in this instance is all our customers are account managed, whether you're big or small, and every single service implementation with Cordia is project managed with a dedicated project management team. So although we've talked about some innovation and our expertise in the engineering services, we really do think it's our people that make the difference in terms of choosing us as a service provider. We tick all the boxes. We've got dual diverse NOCs here in New Zealand, Auckland and Wellington, and that provides 24/7 man support, so not just a call out when something goes wrong. At Cordia, we're not just about connectivity. The cloud offers great advantages for our customers in terms of agility, efficiency and scale. At Cordia, we're here to make sure our customers make the best of that opportunity. We call it the Cordia trifecta, so in addition to our comprehensive range of connectivity services and our managed network services, we've got Aura Information Security there to help with specialist security consultancy, penetration testing, and making sure that you're using the cloud in a safe way. I've heard the term, the cloud is secure, but are you using it securely? So Aura is really well placed to help you in that instance. Also, ETP is a specialist cloud consultancy service, so they specialise in moving customers into the Azure environment. modernising applications, and also making sure that people are getting the best use of their licensing spend with Microsoft. Some people are surprised at how much more they can do with their dollar. Well, what makes Cordia different is, although we can point to some great engineering, some firsts in terms of connectivity into the cloud, it's really our people and our service experience that make us different. We have an NPS score of around 50, which for our industry is pretty extraordinary and something we're very proud of. And internally we have a internal company goal of 0% churn and 100% referenceability, and that means every single one of our customers will stand up and say, here's what they like about using Cordia. That's what we call the Cordia experience.